In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Hosting Your Business email in Gmail. If you want to manage your business email alongside your regular Gmail messages, this is a very convenient setup. It allows you to check everything from one inbox, which can save time and make day-to-day email management much easier. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the Gmail account where you want to receive your Hosting a Business email. This is important because the email will be connected to the currently logged in Gmail account. Once Gmail is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This opens the Quick Settings panel. From there, click See All Settings to access the full settings menu, where Gmail gives you more advanced account options. Inside the settings area, click on the Accounts and Import tab. This section is where Gmail lets you connect other email accounts, import messages, and manage how email is handled across different addresses. Now find the option that says Check Mail from Other Accounts. Beside that, click Add an email account. A new window will appear, and this is where you'll start entering your Hosting a Business email address. Type in your full business email address carefully, then click Next. After that, choose the option to import emails, then click Next again to continue. Gmail will then ask for the necessary details to connect your Hosting a email account properly. At this stage, enter the required information exactly as provided by your email service settings. This usually includes the username and other server-related details, so it's a good idea to double-check everything before moving forward. Even a small typo can prevent the connection from working correctly. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, click Add Account. Gmail will then attempt to connect to your Hosting a Business email and start bringing those messages into your Gmail inbox. If everything is entered correctly, the account should be added successfully. After that, you'll be able to check your Hosting a Business email directly from Gmail, which makes it much easier to stay organized and avoid switching between platforms. As a quick tip, if the account doesn't connect right away, carefully review the details you entered and make sure there are no spelling mistakes or missing settings. Most issues come down to incorrect account information. That's it. You've now learned how to add your Hosting a Business email in Gmail.